Hi, I'm the Herb Guy. Black Walnuts, Part 1, Harvesting. Hey, thanks for joining us for Black Walnuts, Part 1. What we're going to talk about today is the harvesting part of it. So, depending on what you're using your black walnuts for, is going to be relevant to how you gather them. So, I went and gathered a bunch with my niece Kylie the other day, and she was very helpful. I don't have a walnut tree available. If you are going after the hulls is this green part. If you're going after the hulls, try to get the ones that look a lot like this. Do you see how there's very little brown on there? We kind of want to preserve that for right now. So, if you were going after just the nuts, it doesn't matter which ones you get. They can be all beat up. They can be all black. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you wear gloves when you go to gather these, and be very careful because yellow jackets will eat the decomposing, the black part, and you go to grab one, they'll sting you. That is no fun at all. Okay, so why would you want to save these anyway? Why would anybody want to save the hulls? Well, the hulls are actually very medicinal. In a lot of cases, it's used to treat like parasitic worms, so you can use it with your animals to treat parasitic worms like intestinal worms and tube worms, things like that. And it's also used to treat diphtheria, which is a bacterial infection of the sinuses. It's also used to treat syphilis, which is also another bacterial infection. And in some cases, it's been used in conjunction with other herbs to treat leukemia. So I'm not saying that it does that. I'm just saying that that's what it's used for in other parts of the world. So after you get to that point, so you see that there's a lot of medicinal value in the hulls, then you get into the nuts. Now, the nuts themselves have a lot of medicinal value too. They're very rich in omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. They're very high in protein. They have some essential oils and fats that you need. So if you're on a lean diet, or if you're in a survival situation, it'll add the extra fats that your body needs. What I'm going to be doing is we're going to break this down piece by piece. So we're going to go over and we're going to break down the hulls. I'm going to show you how to break them down and use them in various different ways. We're also going to break it down to the walnuts. I'm going to show you how to test the walnuts to make sure they're good and how to dry them and process them. And after, this should be a, I don't know, 5 or 6 video series. And hopefully you guys will find it pretty interesting and stay tuned and share it with other people, because this could be very valuable information for everybody. If you like these videos, please let me know in the comments below. If you see a video or see an herb that you want a video on, also leave that in the comments below, or leave it in my Q&A, and I will try to get back to it as soon as possible. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. Have a great day. Bye.